In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new policy page to your website and link it to your site's footer or checkout page. This is crucial for maintaining transparency and ensuring your visitors can easily access important information, whether it's privacy policies, terms of service, or return policies. Let's dive right in by creating a new page dedicated to your policy. Start by logging into your website's backend. Once you're there, navigate to the section where you manage your pages, often labeled as pages or site pages. Here, you'll typically find an option labeled Add New. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the details of your new page. Now, at this stage, you should give your new page a title. Make sure it's clear and specific, such as privacy policy or terms and conditions, so visitors instantly know what they're viewing. After setting the title, move to the content area. This is where you write the policy itself. If you already have the policy text prepared, go ahead and paste it here. If you're crafting it from scratch, take your time to ensure that the language is clear and precise, keeping legal requirements in mind. Always remember, the more transparent and detailed your policy, the better it is for user trust. Once you're satisfied with the content, review it to ensure there are no typos or unclear sections. When that's done, look for the Publish button, typically located in the top right corner. Clicking this makes the page live, allowing visitors to view it. With your policy page created, the next step is linking it to your website's footer or checkout page, making it accessible to your users. Most website builders or content management systems allow for straightforward customization of the footer area. Navigate to the section where you can edit the footer, often found under Themes or Appearance, then Footer Settings. Once there, look for an option that lets you add links, sometimes called menu or footer links. Add a new link entry by typing the page name in the link title field, matching the title you gave the policy page. Next, paste the URL of your newly created policy page in the URL field. This URL can usually be found at the top of your browser in the address bar when you view the page you just published. After entering the necessary details, save your changes. If you also want to link this policy to your checkout page, go to the section where your checkout settings are customized. Look for an option to add custom links or footnotes. Repeat the process by pasting the policy page URL and naming the link accordingly. Once done, make sure to test it by going to the live page. Check both the footer and the checkout page to ensure the link works perfectly. And there you have it, a detailed policy page that's easy for your visitors to find. Following these steps will help build trust with your audience and meet any legal obligations in managing your website.